Some cars are cool, but this one, it launched an entire era of style. Meet the 1959 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, the king of fins and the icon of American excess. What you're about to see isn't just a car, it's a rolling declaration of America's golden age, a masterpiece forged in chrome, fins, and pure imagination. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary world of the 1959 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe DeVille, a machine that didn't just define a decade, it defined an entire culture. This is the car that turned streets into runways, turned drivers into celebrities, and transformed Cadillac from a symbol of success into an icon of extravagance. Before we get into the full story, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because what's coming next is nothing short of legendary. Imagine the late 1950s, America is booming, the space race is heating up, and futuristic design is everywhere. But while most car companies hinted at the future, Cadillac grabbed it with both hands and sculpted something that looked like it came straight out of a sci-fi dream. The 1959 Coupe DeVille exploded onto the scene with the most dramatic styling in automotive history, towering 42-inch tail fins that sliced through the sky like rocket stabilizers, dual bullet taillights glowing like afterburners, and more chrome than some entire model lineups of the era. Cadillac didn't want to build a car, they wanted to build a legend. And they did. When you walk up to a 59 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, the first thing that hits you is the sheer scale. This car is massive, over 18 feet long, almost 7 feet wide, and nearly as grand as a limousine. Every line is exaggerated, every curve is deliberate, and every detail feels like it was designed to make a statement. Even parked, this car has presence. It doesn't sit in a driveway, it commands it. The long hood stretches out like a red carpet, the chrome bumper grins like it knows it's the star of the show, and the side profile looks like it's gliding even when it's standing still. Open the door and you're welcomed into a world of luxury that only Cadillac could have dreamed up in the 50s. Thick padded seats, wrap-around instrument panels, dazzling chrome accents, and the unmistakable Cadillac crest reminding you that you're inside something special. It wasn't just transportation, it was an experience from the moment you sat down. Power windows, power steering, power brakes, optional air conditioning, a signal-seeking radio, features that made this car feel decades ahead of its time. While most cars of the era were still mechanical, Cadillac was already pushing into the future of comfort and convenience. Under that enormous hood lies Cadillac's 390 cubic inch V8, an engine that delivered smooth, effortless power. It wasn't built for racing, it was built for floating. That's the only word to describe the ride of a 59 Coupe DeVille. It doesn't drive, it glides. The suspension soaks up the road like a luxury yacht handles waves. The steering is feather light, and the entire car moves like it's riding on a cloud of American ambition. Cadillac engineers didn't chase speed numbers. They chased prestige, confidence, and the feeling of absolute authority behind the wheel. And they nailed it. This car wasn't just a mode of transport, it was a status symbol. In 1959, when you pulled up to a restaurant, a theater, or a hotel in a Coupe DeVille, people didn't just look, they stared, they pointed, they admired. Cadillac had captured the imagination of a generation, and the 59 model became the crown jewel. Movie stars, musicians, executives, and people who simply wanted to feel extraordinary would choose the Coupe DeVille because it turned everyday life into a parade. The story behind the design is just as fascinating. Cadillac designers were heavily inspired by jet aircraft, rocket ships, and the futuristic optimism of post-war America. Harley Earl, the legendary head of GM design, pushed boundaries like no one else. He believed cars should be bold, dramatic, and expressive, and in 1959, he unleashed his final masterpiece before retirement. The result was unlike anything seen before or since. The 59 Cadillac was a celebration of freedom, creativity, and the belief that anything was possible. But despite its over-the-top looks, the 1959 Coupe DeVille has aged like fine wine. Today, it stands as one of the most collectible Cadillacs ever built. Its dramatic fins, its massive chrome, its unmistakable silhouette, these elements have made it a global icon. Car collectors pay premium prices to find clean examples because so few survived untouched. Many lived hard lives, but those restored to perfection, they become museum pieces, luxury investments, and rolling works of art. There's something magical about the way a 59 Cadillac connects people. When you drive one, you don't just get attention, you create memories. Kids wave, strangers smile. Cameras come out instantly. People who know nothing about cars still recognize that this is something special. It embodies nostalgia for a time when cars had personality, presence, and soul. A time when design wasn't afraid to push boundaries. A time when dreaming big wasn't optional, it was expected. And if you've ever had the chance to hear one run, you know the engine note is unmistakable. A low, deep, silky rumble that feels more like a heartbeat than an exhaust note. Cadillac didn't want loud. They wanted confident. They wanted smooth. They wanted elegance on wheels. And that's exactly what they delivered. What makes the 1959 Coupe DeVille so extraordinary is that it represents more than innovation or engineering. It represents optimism. It represents creativity. It represents an era where designers didn't hold back, manufacturers didn't play safe, and the American automotive world was driven by imagination rather than limitations. This car is history, culture, luxury, art, and engineering all rolled into one impossible-to-ignore package. Even today, more than 60 years later, nothing captures the excitement of classic American luxury quite like it. Its fins remain unmatched, its presence remains unrivaled, its character remains unforgettable, and its legend continues to grow as time marches on. The 1959 Cadillac Coupe DeVille isn't just a car, it's a symbol, it's a masterpiece. It's the car that took the American dream, wrapped it in chrome, lifted it on giant tail fins, and sent it soaring into the future. If you love iconic classics like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we're just getting started, and the next automotive legend is right around the corner.